Hey everyone! If you are currently in one of Chicago Van Rentals vehicles and want to know what to do in case of accidents and breakdown issues, I know it can be stressful when something goes wrong on the road. But don't worry, I've got some tips to help you handle any situation smoothly. First things first, let's talk about emergencies. If you're involved in an accident or have a medical emergency, please call 911 immediately. Your safety is our priority. Once you've ensured everyone's safety and the immediate situation is under control, please contact Chicago Van Rentals as soon as possible. You can reach us 1773-800-9898. When you call, be prepared to provide us with details about the accident, including your rental agreement number, vehicle number, location, and a brief description of the incident. Get the picture of the other driver license and insurance card, pictures of the scene, and pictures of the area the van has been damaged in from multiple different angles. Also, get an incident report from the police. If there is any witness, get their phone number too. Send all the evidence by email to info@chicagovanrentals.com or by text or WhatsApp at 1773-800-9898. Remember, if you need assistance, we're just a phone call away. Let's talk about vehicle maintenance tips. All our vans are well maintained before renting to the customer. We follow manufacturer recommendations for oil changes and any other services. We don't want any issues for our customers while they are on the road, but sometimes things are beyond our control. Even though we maintain the vehicle well, something can go wrong. We need your help to fix the issue and continue your trip as early as possible. Now, if you face any mechanical issues with the vehicle or have any questions, please call us immediately. Our team is here to help you 24/7. Please don't try to repair the vehicle by yourself until you talk to someone in our office. Remember, unauthorized repairs can lead to more problems and additional costs. Also, please don't add any fluids or oil to the engine or any oil fuel tanks without calling us. It's important to let our professionals handle it to ensure everything is done correctly. We will try to locate a certified mechanic nearby your location, or you can search nearby too. If the breakdown is caused by any mechanical issue, you could pay for the repair, and we will reimburse you when you return the vehicle. But all repairs need prior authorization. Unauthorized repairs won't get any refunds. A replacement of a bulb or a wiper blade can be done without calling us. Please keep all receipts, including a receipt for reimbursement, images of the broken parts, or anything you can document using an image. Please send to chicagovanrentals.com or text message or WhatsApp 1773-800-9898, and you'll be well prepared for any road maintenance issues that come your way. Remember, if you need assistance, we're just a phone call away. Trust me, following these guidelines will make your rental experience much smoother and stress-free.